Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. This is me, Shubhoshri, and in this video I have created this soft cute pinkish makeup look, and I hope you will like this video. Watch this video till the end and let's get started. To start with, for priming my face or as well as moisturizing my face, I'm using this Wow Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. This is a really good primer plus moisturizer. You just tap and the products comes out. And just applying this primer quickly to my pores. It penetrates your skin very smoothly. Also, it doesn't contain any parabens and sulfates, so you can obviously opt for this product. Moving on to my foundation. For foundation, I'm using this Stay Quarkika foundation in the shade Beige Bomb. This is little dark for me, so I will mix this foundation with Maybelline ka foundation, which is in the shade, my shade is Warm Nude 128. Yeah, so let's mix this too. And where is my sponge? Make sure your beauty blender is damped well, otherwise your makeup is going to look cakey. Yeah. According to me, this Stay Quarkika foundation doesn't give you that medium coverage. It मतलब बहुत ही runny consistency है and very light coverage, which is also good for me क्योंकि I'm not a foundation person, so it works for me. Also, don't forget to apply on your neck area. And let's quickly blend this out. Okay, I need a mirror, I guess, because it's difficult to look at this. Wait. Now moving on to the concealer. For concealer, I'm using this Darling Isabella concealer. This is very affordable concealer. You can, मतलब ये just so cute packaging, and it only comes, the retails for rupees 123 like that, and it's believe me, it's a very good concealer. So, hiding my dark circle areas, little bridge on the bridge of my nose.
Over here, and also my crease. And again, with the help of a beauty blender, I will blend this out.
So now I will move on to my eye makeup. Before that, I'm going to bake my under eyes, with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, which is, I'm in the shade medium Moin 25, and it's the best baking powder. I love this. we will do our eye makeup. So let's move on to our eye makeup.
Starting my eye makeup, I'm taking this pink, light pink shade from this palette, and then obviously dabbing the excess out, and using this as my transition color. I hope you can see that.
First place the shadow and then drag. Place and then drag. And obviously blend is the key. Now taking a little deeper shade like this one, I guess. I don't know if you can see or not. This one, slightly reddish. Dabbing the excess out. And then because I need to blend them well, otherwise I guess. After blending it well, I'm using this pinkish white shimmer. You can see placing it in my hands only. Very good. I hope you can see. I don't know, focus. Let me go. Obviously taking a little more extra. And then with the help of my brush, taking the pink light shade and then blending that out evenly. Okay. Now going to my other waterline. I am taking this pink shade again, just on my lower lash line. Done with my lower waterline as well. I don't know if you can see or not, but I've done it. Now I will be doing my other eye off camera, obviously. Let's do. The eye is also done. Now I will remove my paper. After that, I'm going to do my brows. For that, I will be using this just with smooth and light hand. That's pretty much done. Now I will contour my face. Again using this palette only. I'm taking this contouring brush and taking this light brown shade and will be contouring my usual points. After contouring my face, I will be doing my blush, obviously. The blush I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Mauve Marble. Obviously putting it on my apple of the cheeks. Smile. After that, I will be doing the liner. For liner, I'm using the Lakme liquid liner, Insta liner. I have put on my eyeliner. Before applying the falsies, I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. Then I will apply the falsies.
So let's do that. Sign out.
Okay, the mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline's the Hypercurl Mascara Waterproof. Okay, do I need to apply falsies? Because already my lashes are quite big enough, I guess.
Confused. Let's skip the falsies for today because my eyes looks good enough, I guess.
For my lower waterline, I will be using a white kajal to enhance. Sorry for the noise because I'm a mess. One white kajal and apply it on my lower waterline. And again, I'm searching for the mirror. I'm like, what I will do? How will I do? Wait, let me. No, that's not happening. I have to hold this and do that. How? Okay, let's stop this then. Don't know, I can't see. Wait, I will find out my way.
2,000 years later.
The reason I am using this white kajal for my lower waterline cause it will highlight your eyes and make your eyes pop up more. Okay, I did it. Now we'll be highlighting cause it's my favorite part, you know. For highlighting, I will be using this Huda Beauty ka highlighter, and then first let me take a brush. Highlighting my cheekbones. Can you see the highlighter? Oh damn god. That's really a good highlighter. Focus, otherwise how I will show you. It's a pinky pink highlighter, you know. Highlighting my bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, also the brow bone, which is important obviously, and not to forget the inner corner of your eyes. How to show you? Yeah. Now it's
I don't know what just happened. Okay, now I will put on the lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using this T-Quirtica lipstick in the shade
in the back set. This is a mini lipstick, and I just love this.
taking a little more highlighter and just tapping it on my lower lip to give it more action. Stop honking. Yeah, now I will set my face and show you my final look.
And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, that is the craziest pure soul. I also post over there. And thank you guys for watching till the end. I love you guys and stay blessed. Bye bye.